I was checking on my onions when I realized two were missing and others were topping over a little bit. And then I saw it, a small hole exactly where an onion used to be. It's probably voles. So, with my whopping budget of $0, we are going to war.
I have a small piece of land that I'm trying to turn into a flower farm and a veggie garden. I have some seeds, a borrowed tiller, recycled pots, and some tools. My budget is low, but my grip is high. Join my journey and let's see what happens. The first thing I decided to do for the voles was to actually till the land between the holes that I found. So the onions are just behind the camera, and the hole which I showed in the second picture is on my right in this moment. So I'm actually tilling in between, and this is not a piece of land that I'm going to use to grow anything. This is just a path. So I decided to till in between with the hope that I'm actually destroying the tunnels of the voles. And yeah, they also don't like when their soil is disturbed. So I hope this helps at something, making them go away or something like that. Meanwhile, I'm also trying to make use of this tiller which I borrowed, and I think I have to return soon because if you don't know yet, my soil is full of trash. And you can see my new find here.
Now this is a new
Which is,
find.
yeah, a broken spoon. I have no idea how long it's been there, it was inside the soil. And so, yeah, I'm using this tilling to take out from the soil a lot of grass, broken tiles, broken bricks, and whatever else I find. And now we go foraging for elderberry leaves. Oh, but wait. On the way there, in the middle of a field, I found crayfish. I guess some bird dropped it. But yeah, it was quite unusual. And look what I found on my way back. This is a egg sac of a praying mantis. Probably it fell from somewhere. Usually they do not lay on the ground.
So my next zero budget weapon against voles is going to be a fermented water with the leaves of the elderberry tree. It has a smell that voles seem to dislike, so I'm going to mash the leaves, and here I was trying to do it by hand, but then I realized let's use the bricks which I found inside the soil. They're going to be much better at mashing the leaves than my hands, and so this is what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to put all the leaves in the bucket, add water to it, and leave it in the sun.